Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and we are back with take 3. And this week, so this is a little take 3 book that we put all our take 3s in. Yep, it's coming along nicely. And this week we have alphabet stamps. These are just wooden mounted stamps, but you can have any alphabets that you've got, or if you already have like words already made up on stamps, then absolutely use them as well. I've got a set of stamps that have the words already made. These are by the Artistic Stamper, and it's called Journaling Words 1. I have had these for many years, much like a lot of my stamps, but you might be able to still get them on eBay or some similar sort of stamps. And that saves you stamping out each individual letter, although that's fun. So stamps, some book page to stamp on, and some random patterned paper, scrapbook paper. I have chosen slightly thicker scrapbook paper rather than thinner paper because we're going to be making word page tabs. You'll see. Okay, let's do a little bit of stamping. So we'll put the background paper there, and we'll take a piece of the book page, and I'm going to stamp out the word make. I'm going to use my VersaFine Onyx Black. I'm going to put that in my right hand side because I'm right-handed, and I'm just going to stamp it all with lowercase letters just because I quite like that. I think I maybe use this nice pale bit here, and we'll just put the script sideways, like, you know, you're reading it but you turn it round so that the words actually stands out. For some reason the word, whoops, that's a letter avalanche. The B and the C wants to play with the A. Right, M, A. And I quite like these wood block stamps because you get a certain amount of randomness in the, if I can get the E out, in the you know, because you can't tell exactly where you're stamping, you get sometimes a little letter that's either above or below the line of where you might want to be. But I like that. I like that they're not straight. So that's us with the stamping. Put that over there, and we're done, I think, with that. We'll just make the one today because, well, we'll just stamp out the one because I've already got my other words stamped out. A wee bit organised today. So we'll just carefully tear that and then tear that there. We don't need that. And we're going to make this just there, a little bit shorter. Okay, now we need to choose a little bit of a background. My sleeve was catching on that ruler there. Right, that's quite nice. Do you know what's going to happen? They're all going to be nice. I quite like that. I'll keep that one out. That's quite nice too. It's going to be a hard choice here. I quite like that bit there. Right, let's just go with that for now. So I want to just cut it, leaving a border around the stamped book page. So that's going to go on there like that. And then we are going to round off the ends, one end. So we'll put that right up to the edge there and leave a little border on either side. And then we will take our scissors and just try and do, and you won't get it first time. Well, you might. I don't. I've usually got to even it up. But there we are. Right. And the thing is that that is now a book, a tab for a page. So it will kind of go on the edge and that little round bit will stick out from the page. So if you stuck it there and you've got a little fancy bit sticking out and a nice inspirational word for your page, anywhere on your page, I think that's quite cool. So that's what the take 3 is this week. It's scrapbook paper, which is a little bit thicker, book page and stamps, alphabet stamps or words. Now I have taken my take 3 another step forward. Now I had another word stamped, but you know, it's funny how things just must have caught my sleeve and it's gone. Where could it possibly have gone? Just in that space of time. Anyway, we'll make another one because I've lost the other one. But I wanted to show you because, okay, this is take 3, but I thought for these it deserves another wee step. And the other step that I've added is to add a little eyelet at the end with a little pin and a charm. Look, a button charm and a handmade with love charm. And this one has little sequins, which is quite cool. And this one has been stitched around and it's got a little brad on the back, and I think that's quite nice too. So these are from the set Journey, Memories and Create, but you can easily stamp it out like I did with that one. So if you wanted to take them a step further, I think with these we have permission to add a couple more wee things, but that is the pure take 3, if you like. Let's just put junk on a bit of, I think that's quite nice there. That might be just too dark for it. Did we use that? That's quite nice. I think we'll put junk on this. Yeah. So yeah, when I was making the take 3, and I thought, you know, it's a shame just to, although I like it with just the take 3, I thought, no, let's just take another wee step and recognise that sometimes, yeah, we like our take 3s, but sometimes we just want to add a little final flourish. Why not? There. How super easy are they? So there we have it. We've got our 2 take 3s and 3 take 4 or 5. Take 4 or 5, why not? So I think these are really, really nice. Just look at that. Wait till you see this. If we put that there, just sticking out, I'm not going to stick it in just now, but look. Or the little charm. Oh, okay, that's me. That was super easy, super fun. Just trying to see if there's another. Oh, look at that, pinks and the pinks there. That's quite nice there. I'm not going to stick one in just now. I always stick one in. This is nice, isn't it? I always stick one in when I'm off camera because I need to. Oh, that, look, memories. Look, it's Pooh and memories. Just look, that just goes perfect there. I think that's maybe where we'll put that one. And just sticks out, and I've got my wee button. I think that would be the perfect page for that. Anyway, I could fiddle about forever. So there are true take threes and the ones with the little no embellishments. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.